set up here, I begin gameplay. So at this point, it should flip the user interface to the first question, which I will just minimize a little bit. There we go. So go ahead and take your question answers. You just click on the button you think is the correct one. I'm using Twitter Bootstrap for the user interface because, again, I'm not a CSS designer, and that's a relatively easy one to use. So you see I use the hero unit in the middle, and I'm using the buttons with the width of whatever particular div there, and just kind of laying things out in little chunks on the screen. Really just a simple prototype kind of thing. By the way, if you're busy chatting, I'm almost frightened to click this, but ooh, I got a couple people here. Tim is online. Hey there. Hopefully this is working. Null undefined. All right. So, all right, as we try to hack this thing. So we go ahead and click on what you're supposed to inside which HTML element do we put the JavaScript. You click script, and then it's awaiting the next question. I then put your score up there. Everyone here should have a 10 on that one.
Got this one right.
We should. Okay, well, that's understandable because I didn't test it on Android. Hey! So, well, I shouldn't lie. I tested it on a tablet, but I didn't really pay attention to, hey, we're talking about Spring and JavaScript, not mobile. So put it this way, I was not planning on getting the responsive design working in time, unfortunately, because I did want to do that, actually. But I clearly did not. Boo!
I actually had it working on my Android.
Yes.
Wasn't
So
pretty, but
while we're at it, let's go and fire up that other UI. We have to go in and grab the, so we also have a little console. Yeah. So give us a few seconds. We're going to grab this little, the little thing down below is just a UUID that we use for each of the games. And David wrote a WebSocket